I can't stop listening to Oliver Tree's new album, Ugly is Beautiful. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play Introspective. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe because I have more songs from this album coming up. Enjoy! So the first part of this song is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is an A major chord. So you're just going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. Next is a D major chord, so you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. Next is a B major chord, so you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and you're going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 4th fret. And then last is an E major chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the G string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now really quick, just so you can see exactly what I'm doing there, I'm plucking the A string, then the D string, B string, G string, then I'm switching to the D chord and plucking the D string, G string, and then B string. Then to the B major chord, I'm plucking the A string, D string, B string, G string, and then back to the D string, and then to the E major chord, and I'm plucking the low E string, D string, and then high E string. So the next part of this song is made up of 3 chords that we already learned, the first of which is the A major chord. Next is the B major chord, and then last is the D major chord. And all put together, it sounds like this. So really quick, just so you can see exactly what I'm doing there, I'm starting on the A major chord, and I'm plucking the A string, G string, D string, and then the high E, G, and then D 3 times. Then to the B major chord, you're going to pluck the A string, G string, D string, and then the B, G, and then D 3 times. Then to the D major chord, you're going to pluck the D string, G string, back to the D string, and then the G, or the B, G, and then D 3 times. Then back to the A major chord. I'm going to pluck the A string, the G string, D string, and then the B, G, and then D 3 times. So the next part is made up of 5 chords, the first of which is an F sharp minor chord. So you're going to place your thumb on the 2nd fret of the low E string. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and you're going to bar the G, B, and high E strings with your pointer finger. Next is a E major chord, which we already learned. Then an A major chord, which we also learned already. And a D major chord, which again we also learned already. And then last is a C sharp major chord. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and you're going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 6th fret. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now for the other guitar during that part, you're going to start by placing your ring finger on the 11th fret of the G string, your middle finger on the 10th fret of the B string, and your pointer finger on the 9th fret of the high E string. Then you're going to bar the G, B, and high E strings on the 9th fret with your pointer finger. Then you're going to place your pointer finger on the 9th fret of the G string, your middle finger on the 10th fret of the B string, and your pinky finger on the 12th fret of the high E string. Then you're going to place your middle finger on the 11th fret of the G string, and you're going to bar the B and high E strings on the 10th fret with your pointer finger. Then the first chord we learned, the second chord we learned, then the third chord we learned, then you're going to lift your middle finger and bar the G and B strings on the 9th fret. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Introspective. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and subscribe for more lessons from this album. Thanks.